Hello, egos. It's Mother Ego here. I was thinking about growth and expansion. Many years ago, I had actually, it wasn't even that long, it was 2016. I felt I was on the top of the world. Business was good and growing. My career was on track, my spiritual life, everything was on track. But I had built my ladder on the wrong wall. I was going high so fast, but my desire, my wings felt like they were tight. I couldn't stretch them out so high. And I kept wondering what was the problem, and I came to a realization that growth and expansion is a natural desire of all living things, all of us. Do you know that it's only the human race that that has all this potential and can choose to live a mediocrity life? It's very absurd. All other living things, they live to their greatest potential. If you find a tree growing, it doesn't plan to stop until it has grown out to its maximum. If you find some other creatures maybe in the sea or any of that, they grow to the very, very end. For us human beings, we are like, no, maybe once I finish university, that's all. I don't need to keep studying and expanding. That is a limiting belief that we've bought into. And you realize most of the people, once they finish school, they don't even continue any kind of personal development. So I'm so grateful that you are into personal development and trying to find the best version of yourself and living in your authenticity, because we have the capacity to grow and expand. And that desire is becoming bigger and hotter like fire, that if you don't give it expression, you are always irritated. You're always wondering why are things not working. Why? You put yourself in a small box where you don't fit. Your capacity is huge and expanded, that you have to give it expression. You have to live to the best of your knowledge. You go step by step. The expansion will come on slow, but always allow. When you feel the expansion coming on, allow yourself to move to the next level. Yes, it may require releasing things. It may require some studying sometimes. It may require adding on new things. It may require learning new skills, learning new behaviors. Sometimes don't you wonder when you go around the same mountain every time, supposing you have a financial issue, that it never goes away? Every time the same time of year, the same financial issue comes up, and you're wondering what is going on. Yes, that is life for you. If you don't learn the lesson, life will give you a chance to get the lesson until you master it. The issue will always come back, and you go around the same mountain. It's your responsibility to be observant, figure out, what is this situation teaching me? What is the lesson? What can I do different so that this experience doesn't happen again? Because for as long as it keeps happening, it means you haven't adapted the lesson and you haven't mastered it. Once you master the lesson, guess what? Other students will come your way so that you can share what you learned, so that you can use your experience. But the reality is, growth and expansion is our natural desire, and refuse to be put in a box. Refuse to think small, exaggerate your thoughts, think big, tap to the depth of your heart and pull out the secret that is embedded in you. Because in there, that's where you're going to find your way and your genius. In there, that's where you find your invisible wings. We all have wings. We just aren't seeing them, and most of us are not using them. Believe me, if you're caught in a situation where you have to fly and fly high, those wings will come up and they will show up. And when caught up in a storm, guess what? You are designed for storms. You are designed to confront the storm. Get your lessons that you need that will propel you on top of the level you need to be on, because we have to go through lessons. We have to go through training to expand our heart, to expand our wisdom, to expand the knowledge base, to be able to share with others and give all we've got. But someone who hasn't been through anything, it's hard to trust them. So if you failed a little bit or a lot, guess what? You qualify. Don't give up. That is your ticket to try again. So I encourage you, don't stop growing. Keep expanding. Enlarge your territory. Yes, if you were thinking about a salary cap, well, nope. Add a few zeros and a few commas on what you're thinking about. Yes, if you're thinking of employing 2 people, keep doubling that number. Make it bigger. You have all the ability in you, but you gotta trust yourself. As always, I love you guys. It's Mother Ego. Talk to you soon. Bye.